The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Grenville County in northeast Illinois, east central LaSalle County in north central Illinois, central Livingston County in central Illinois, west central Will County in northeast Illinois, until 4 o'clock p.m. At 2:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Pontiac and moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. A 61 miles per hour wind gust and tree damage was reported with this storm in Pontiac. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs and outbuildings. The severe thunderstorm will be near Odell around 3:05 p.m. Dwight around 3:20 p.m. Mazon around 3:30 p.m. Coal City around 3:40 p.m. Morris around 3:45 p.m. Minooka and Shanahan around 3:55 p.m. Other locations in the warning include Kinsmud, Verona, and... The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cook County in northeast Illinois, east central Will County in northeast Illinois, northern Lake County in northwest Indiana, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dyer and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles and crops is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near Hammond and Burnham around 3:05 p.m. East Chicago and Whiting around 3:10 p.m. This includes the city of Chicago. Other locations affected: Ileana Motor Speedway, Indiana University Northwest, Prairie State College, Purdue University Calumet, South Shore Cats Baseball, South Suburban College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is